வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனலோட பேர் கண்ணன் டியூஷன் அகாடமி. இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் பார்க்க போகிறது பிஜி டிஆர்பி காமர்ஸ் 100 மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஷின் ரிவிஷன் டெஸ்ட்டு 2. வீடியோவுக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்கள் பேப்பரும் பேனாவும் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. கொஷினோட ஆன்சர் லாஸ்ட்டு பேஜில் மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ நீங்கள் செல்ஃபாக உங்களை டெஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, எவ்வளவு மார்க் வருதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஆன்சர் எழுதும்போது பேப்பரில் 1 ஏ ஆன்சர்னால் ஏ டீட்டெயில் எழுத வேண்டாம். அதே மாதிரி 2 வந்து சின்னா சி அப்படின்னு போடுங்க, லாஸ்ட்டாக கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, இப்போது வீடியோவுக்குள்ளே போகலாம் வாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின், கேபிட்டல் மார்க்கெட் ரெஃபர்ஸ் டு ஏ மணி மார்க்கெட், பி ஸ்டாக் மார்க்கெட், சி ஃபாரின் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் மார்க்கெட், டி ஆல் ஆஃப் தீஸ். செகண்ட் ஒன், which is not a method used to analyze the financial statement? A. Fund flow analysis, B. Cash flow analysis, C. Ratio analysis, D. FIFO. FIFO அப்படின்னா first in first out. Third, working capital is equal to A. current assets plus current liabilities, B. current assets minus current liabilities, C. current assets into current liabilities, D. current assets divided by current liabilities. Fourth one, annual cash inflow is equal to A. profit after tax plus depreciation, B. profit before tax plus depreciation, C. profit before tax and depreciation, D. profit minus depreciation. Fifth one, which is an outdoor advertising media? A. sandwich men, B. television, C. radio, D. film. Sixth, the National Commission can entertain the complaint if the value exceeds A. rupees 5 crores, B. rupees 2 crores, C. rupees 1 crore, D. rupees 20 lakhs. Seventh one, Consumer Guidance Society of India was established in the year A. 1956, B. 1971, C. 1976, D. 1963. Eighth, a forecast of cash position is done by A. master budget, B. sales budget, C. cash budget, D. production budget. Ninth, funds may be derived from A. issue of share capital, B. borrowings, C. sale of fixed assets, D. all of these. Tenth one, capital expenditure generally involves A. large amount, B small amount, C less amount, D meager amount. 11. Minimum amount of investment in all current assets which is required at all times to carry out minimum level of business activities is called as A. Seasonal working capital, B. Temporary working capital, C. Permanent working capital, D. Fluctuating working capital. 12. MBE means A. Management by ethics, B. Management by exception, C. Management by environment, D. Management by entertainment. 13. Information about the organizational relationship is provided in A. Supplementary chart, B. Management chart, C. Organizational chart, D. Occupational chart. 14. Consumer Protection Day is celebrated on A. 26 January, B. 26 February, C. 26th March, D. 15th March. 15. The first web advertisement was placed on A. October 1994, B. October 1992, C. January 1996, D. October 2010. 16. In present days, marketing concept is A. Production oriented, B. Management oriented, C. Sales oriented, D. Consumer oriented. 17. The study of marketing on the basis of a commodity is undertaken by A. Product approach, B. Functional approach, C. Institutional approach, D. System approach. 18. Mercantile agents are also called as A. Merchant middlemen, B. Functional middlemen, C. Discount houses, D. Commission houses. 19. MBO means A. Management by opportunity, B. Management by obligation, C. Management by objection, D. Management by objective. 20. Oldest form of organization is A. Staff, B. Lion, C. Committee, D. Project. 21. Advertisement made at the place of sale is called as A. Point of purchase advertisement, B. Direct mail advertising, C. Publicity, D. Public relations. 22. The Essential Commodities Act was passed in the year A. 1955, B. 1956, C. 1957, D. 1958. 23rd. The National Commission under Consumer Protection Act 1986 is set up the A. State government, B. Central government, C. Supreme Court, D. Local bodies. 24. Which is an example of outdoor advertising? A. Press advertising, B. Television advertising, C. Internet advertising, D. Advertising boards. 25. When a manufacturer sells the product as two or more different price, it is called A. Dual pricing, B. Administered pricing, C. FOB pricing, D. Geographical pricing. 26. Residential status deals in Section Dash of Income Tax Act. A. Section 5, B. Section 10, C. Section 15, D. Section 20. 27. Section 10 of Income Tax or deals with A. Gross income, B. Net income, C. Taxable income, D. Income exempt from tax. 28. Education allowance is exempted under Income Tax Act up to a maximum of A. 3 child, B. 4 child, C. 2 child, D. No limit. 29. Gross annual value of self-occupied house property is taken as A. Rupees 1 lakh, B. Rupees 2 lakh, C. Nil, D. Guideline value. 30. The highest administrative authority of income tax is A. CBDT, B. Finance Ministry, C. PMO Office, D. President of India. 31. TDS certificate shall be issued by the deductor to deductee in the form A. Form 26, B. Form 26AS, C. Form 16, D. Form 1. 32. Dividend received by the shareholder A. Taxable, B. Exempted, C. Partly taxable, D. None of these. 33. Dividend income shall be taxable under section dash of IT Act. A. Section 26, B. Section 46, C. Section 56, D. Section 86. 34. Which section of IT Act deals with preliminary expenses? A. Section 25D, B. Section 35D, C. Section 45D, D. Section 85D. 35. Preliminary expenses shall be allowed as a deduction in dash equal installments of subsequent years. A. 5, B. 10, C. 15, D. 20. 36. How much deduction of preliminary expenses shall be allowed? A. Actual expenditure incurred or 5% of cost of a project or 5% of cost of capital employed of a company, whichever is more. B. Actual expenditure incurred or 5% of cost of a project or 5% of cost of capital employed of a company, whichever is less. C. Rupees 1 lakh. D. Up to rupees 5 lakhs. 37. Section dash of IT Act deals with intercorporate dividend. A. Section 70M, B. Section 80M, C. Section 60M, D. Section 50M. 38. Tax saving investments under section 80C shall be eligible for maximum A. Rupees 1,50,000, B. Rupees 2 lakh, C. Rupees 2,50,000, D. Rupees 3 lakhs. 39. Medical insurance under Section 80D shall be eligible for maximum A. Rupees 25,000, B. Rupees 40,000, C. Rupees 50,000, D. Rupees 60,000. 40. One of the major tasks of marketing management is A. Producing meaningful heterogeneity, B. Dealing with various people, C. Establish distribution channels, D. Researching foreign marketing system. 41. Ownership transfer from public sector to private sector is called A. Sales, B. Purchase, C. Privatization, D. Liberalization. 42. India's balance of payment on current account includes A. Visible items only, B. Invisible items only, C. Both A and B, D. Visible, invisible and unilateral transfers. 43. The external sources of cash is A. Issue of new shares, B. Buyback shares, C. Issue of bonus shares, D. Issue of duplicate shares. 44. WTO started functioning from the year A. 1991, B. 1992, C. 1995, D. 1998. 45. Which of the following is advantageous for investment of foreign capital in India? A. It brings larger industrial profits. B. It reduces our import. C. It expands our export. D. It brings in new technical know-how. 46. Internal audit is helpful in A. Prevention of errors and frauds, B. Detection of errors and frauds, C. Auditing items in depth, D. All of these. 47. Share warrants can be issued by A. Private companies only, B. Public companies only. C. Both A and B. D. Companies limited by guarantee. '48. The underwriting commission paid or agreed to be paid for issue of shares must not exceed A. 2%, B. 2.5%, C. 5%, D. 10%. 49. The underwriting commission paid or agreed to be paid for issue price of debentures must not exceed A. 2%, B. 2.5%, C. 5%, D. 10%. 50. A person cannot hold office as a director simultaneously in more than A. 5 companies, B. 10 companies, C. 20 companies, D. 50 companies. 51. Every listed company and every other public company having a paid up share capital of rupees dash crore rupees or more are required to appoint whole time director. A. 10, B. 20, C. 50, D. 100. 52. To overall maximum managerial remuneration shall not exceed dash of the net profit. A. 5%, B. 6%, C. 10%, D. 11%. 53. Maximum limit of managerial remuneration shall be calculated on A. Sales, B. Revenue, C. Net profit, D. Gross profit. 54. How appointment of company secretary can be made? A. By government order, B. At AGM of the company, C. Resolution of the board, D. By managing director. 55. Limit of the number of directorships are prescribed in the Companies Act 2013 with effect from 1/4/2014 under which section? A. Section 65, B. Section 110, C. Section 135, D. Section 165. 56. The remuneration of a managing director cannot exceed A. 1% of net profit, B. 5% of net profit, C. 10% of net profit, D. 11% of net profit. 57. Which does not come under liabilities from the following? A. Bank overdraft. B. Income in advance. C. Debtors. D. Creditors. 58. Which does not come under asset from the following? A. Investment. B. Prepaid insurance. C. Debtors. D. Creditors. 59. Compulsory winding up is made in the following situations. A. Where ordinary resolution of the company is passed. B. Where there is a default in delivering the statutory report to the registrar or in holding statutory meeting. C. If the company has intention to carry on the business. D. If the number of members of the company is above the statutory minimum. _60. The Export-Import Bank was established in A. 1982, B. 1985, C. 1986, D. 1987. 61. The document which is issued by the shipping company acknowledging the receipt of the goods on the board of the ship is called A. Shipping bill, B. Letter of credit, C. Commercial invoice, D. Bill of lading. 62. The costing method in which fixed factor overheads are added in inventory is A. Direct costing, B. Marginal costing, C. Absorption costing, D. Unit costing. 63. Bridge finance is also known as A. Term finance, B. Fixed finance, C. Long-term finance, D. Expansion finance. 64. To minimize the risk in export business, the institution started is called as A. To Exim Bank, B. Export Inspection Council, C. ECGC, D. Gate. 65. When was the ECGC, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation, started? A. 1947, B. 1957, C. 1967, D. 1977. 66. The first auditors of the company are generally appointed by A. Board of Directors, B. Creditors of the company, C. Shareholders, D. Government. 67. In foreign trade, the exporter sends the document directly to the importer for the payment of invoice value called as A. Payment in advance, B. Documentary bill, C. Open account, D. Letter of credit. 68. Dash is a letter from a bank guaranteeing that a buyer's payment to a seller will be received on time and for the correct amount. A. Bank guarantee, B. Import guarantee, C. Letter of credit, D. Export guarantee. 69. Expand the term SDR. A. Special duty rights, B. Special development on road, C. Special drawing rights, D. Special delivery register. 70. ADB, Asian Development Bank, is set up in A. December 1966, B. January 1963, C. February 1971, D. March 1977. 71. An international reserve asset created by IMF to supplement existing reserves and to help the international liquidity is called as A. Quota, B. SDR, C. Tariff, D. General Agreement. 72. Which of the following is not profitability ratio? A. Inventory turnover, B. Gross margin, C. Expenses ratio, D. ROI. 73. Expand the term ROI. A. Return on investment, B. Right on investment, C. Return on industry, D. Right on issue. 74. Banking Regulation Act 1949 shall not apply to A. Nationalized banks, B. Non-nationalized banks, C. NBFC, D. Cooperative banks. 75. Which of the following is not a direct tax? A. Income tax. B. Property tax. C. GST. D. House tax. 76. Soft loans schemes and venture capital fund were initiated by the A. IDBI, B. IFCI, C. ICICI, D. UTI. 77. The World Bank is a sister institution of the A. IMF, B. ADB, C. IFCA, D. IDBI. 78. Dividing a market into distinct groups of buyers is known as dash. A. Market positioning, B. Market segmentation, C. Market division, D. Consumer needs division. 79. When a person reduces his total income by making false claims or by withholding the information regarding his real income so that his tax liability is reduced, is known as dash. A. Tax avoidance, B. Tax evasion, C. Tax planning, D. Shifting a tax. 80. An audit which is compulsory by the law is dash. A. Government audit, B. Internal audit, C. Cost audit, D. Statutory audit. 81. Qualification shares for a director are provided in A. Articles of Association, B. Memorandum of Association, C. Companies Act, D. Contract between company and director. 82. What is the minimum number of director in case of public company? A1, B2, C3, D5. 83. What is the minimum number of directors in case of a private company? A1, B2, C3, D5. 84. A company may be wound up by the court A. By passing ordinary resolution, B. By passing special resolution, C. If the memorandum permits, D. If default is made in holding an annual general meeting. '85. Under how many methods a company can voluntarily wind up? A2, B3, C4, D none of these. 86. A public company may be wound up by the court if the number of members is reduced below A7, B5, C4, D3. 87. A private company may be wound up by the court if the number of members is reduced below A2, B5, C4, D3. 88. The altered memorandum must be filed with the registrar within A 1 month, B 2 month, C 3 month, D 4 month. 89. Interim audit is conducted to declare A. dividend, B. to issue shares, C. to issue debenture, D. to have internal check. 90. If the articles conflict with the memorandum, A. the article shall prevail, B. the memorandum shall prevail, C. the directors will resolve the conflict, D. the court will resolve the conflict. 91. A multinational corporation is one which undertakes foreign investment A. indirectly, B. directly, C. through the World Bank, D. through the IMF. 92. Tariff is the levy on A. commodity imported into the country, B. commodity exported to another country, C. domestically transported commodity, D. levy on manufactured commodities. 93. The proceeds of asset not specifically pledged and the surplus of the assets specifically pledged are first available for A. Liquidator's remuneration, B. Preferential creditors, C. Debenture holders, D. Unsecured creditors. 94. Income from subletting of house property is A. House property income, B. Business income, C. Casual income, D. Income from other sources. $95. Dividend can be paid out of A. Share premium account, B. Capital redemption reserve account, C. Current year profit, D. Capital. 96. Final dividend can be declared by the company at dash. A. AGM, B. EGM, C. Either AGM or EGM, D. Board meeting. 97. Interim dividend can be declared by the company at dash. A. AGM, B. EGM, C. Either AGM or EGM, D. Board meeting. 98. Within how many days dividend should be paid to the shareholders from the date of declaration? A. 30 days, B. 45 days, C. 60 days, D. 90 days. 99. WTO was established in A. January 1995, B. February 1992, C. January 1948, D. March 1973. 100. Rights issue refers to the shares issued to A. Employees, B. Public, C. Existing directors, D. Existing shareholder. இப்போது இதில் ஆன்சர் போட்டிருக்கோம், நீங்கள் எழுதிட்டு வந்திருப்பீங்க பேப்பரில். அந்த இதை வச்சு டிக் அடிச்சுக்கோங்க. ஒன்றுக்கு டி ஆன்சர், செகண்டுக்கு டி ஆன்சர், தேர்டுக்கு பி ஆன்சர். இந்த மாதிரி டிக் அடிச்சுக்கிட்டே வாங்க. லாஸ்ட்டாக உங்களோட டோட்டல் மார்க் எவ்வளவுன்னு தெரியும். இதை நீங்கள் கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. அப்போ தான் எனக்கு 2 விஷயம் தெரியும். ஒன்று, உங்களோட பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸு எப்படி இருக்குது அப்படின்னு பார்க்க முடியும். 2வது, எவ்வளவு பேர் இந்த சேனலை பார்க்குறீங்கன்றது எனக்கு தெரியும். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். இந்த எம்சிக்யூ உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்த வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் இம்மீடியட்டாக உங்களுக்கு வரும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்போஸ் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸுக்கும் தேவைப்படும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஒன்ஸ் அகெயின், தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்.